So hi, hello everyone. We are coming back something is latest video for you guys. Something is keep the save the length and it will be creating with a concave layers kind of it. So my client hair length was it's already shortened. Apart from that, the according to the length itself, my client was expecting something more layers to be top of that. So which can be completely it'll make to the sufficient layers. And apart from the keep save the length and add something more different looks for ambience purpose, one of my client was expecting in that. So I suggest on just taking with a kindly light concave layers in that haircut to add. The fringe section got separated and just one more section is going to be taken separate for a sectioning to the left side, and just one more section is taken to the right side also will be separating as of now. So each and every haircut was there mentioned by the very clearly for a simple techniques and easy to understand for a manuality for friendly for everyone. For in these cases, if you don't get understand about the any videos, please let me know comments below. I'll update for you for a new updates for, and it will be even previous one also. So now we come back to with a one length haircut for the from the back. The one length haircut it will be needed for to be create top of that the layers without collapsing to the any bottom length. That is a regard we can just take to the one length basic haircut. One of the side is done and one more side is still balanced for the left in one length haircut. So hope so you guys our previous videos are willing to like for more updates and all, and I'm really happy to gathering with all people's the new creators and students and new hairdressers. I'm really happy to see them. So now we come to the center profile section, just we picking up to the exactly with the occipital bone towards to the up. It is just completely elevating in this degrees. If you want to mention, I can just mention you with similarly with 120 degree exactly with see the bottom length is fallen down, rest of the hair it will be holding and going to be add the creating the layers. So that's simple in my techniques and all, and just taking to the overall distributing by the pivoting sections by the guidelines with the stationary guidelines overall to be parallelly will be take care to that in the guidelines for a haircut. So one side we just took and just rest of the hair creating to the adding the layers with top of that. So one more section we just picked and just creating with the layers top of that. So haircut it will be very simple and easy to understand. It will be my strongest intention is I don't want to be collapse the length and even my client requirement to be same. So that is a regard I just always I keep the mind with I keep the same length and adding the layers top of that, which can be convenience way to the client also, and or as a hairdresser also it will be satisfaction. You can just balance both the sides even though. So because sufficient length she carried, I think it's needed for deserve for good layers for top of that. That is a regards I just choose this haircut for. So another side we just came and just same parallel section we just following it up and adding the layers. So one more section we just picked, and last section we just going to be take and just finishing the haircut. So that easy to understand the haircut and simple way to be cut the hair. And this regards if you have any questions or any doubts, please let me know comments below. Definitely will clarify for you. So now we came to the side section. Just before cut add the layers, take to the one length, the previous the what we done the back we can just take to the straight shape, and top of that we just create the layers. So we just pick from the small vertical section, take the guideline from the back stationary guideline. Now we just going to be create the layers top of that. So finally I'm really happy to all of you with a gathering for sharing good knowledge. I'm just I'm very much pretty much inspired with all of you with sharing my what I gained the knowledge. Please let me know comments below if you want to be improve anything else from my side. Definitely I'll try to be put on it effort for sure. If you like my video, please hit the like button, do the comments for more doubts or any questions. So now we come to the another side. We're just giving to the one length haircut again before add the layers. And one more thing, if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel for more updates, and just keep coming for a new videos for a latest one. Now we're standing in front of the client face, and just we'll pick from the stationary guideline from the back and just going to be follow the guideline, and the rest of the hair going to be added layers. So that's simple, the haircut. It will be giving to the layers, elevating. So last section we just picked it, one more section is still pending. So my cut is almost finished. I'm just shaking up to the natural layers. Now we'll be come to the fringe part. In this one, just adding something with a different kind of to the guideline, and just creating with the front of the nose level. I'm just leaving the tinge up to the small hair. Fringes. My client was expecting it shouldn't go to too short. So that's a regard I'm just showing to her before cut the hair. Now I take to the fringes. One more time, just taking to the guideline. Now just connecting for help up to the holding with the opposite direction, over direction, which is 120 degree, and just rest of the hair I'm just adding, creating for the fringe layers. And now my cut is almost finished, and just shaking with an so before blow dry, I want to show my client to be natural layers, how it will be falling down with even every day after the haircut. The before after the haircut layers, it has to be comes out and ambience will be changed. That's the regard I'm just shaking, and just natural layers I want to show with messy with natural layers, and before doing the styling towards my client. Now we're just shaking up to the natural layers. In wavy hair, she was happy with the layers, and this messy styling even. Now we're just going to do the blow dry top of that before giving to the texture. So hope you all are understand the video, and also you guys all are enjoyed the video. Please, if you have any questions, please comments below for a more questions and updates. I'm happy to see such a kind of questions to be asked for regards for a hairstyling and haircuts purpose. Now we just start to spiral blow dry overall to all the sides. We can just cleaning with giving to the good shine with the straight blow dry help up. Lifting up to towards to the edging them to towards to up and adding volume, and the end point we just turning inside all the sides. From the bottom also we can just add some nice shine blow dry. Now just we releasing with spiral way. Another side we just came. The same technique we are using. This is medium short density and length also. You can just take with in one vertical, two vertical sections, you can just finish the blow dry as soon as possible. After haircut, is styling part is most significant to be carry forward the haircut. Any haircut you may can just take. Now we come to the side portion. Now we come to another side. Now we come to the crown portions to add with nicely volume blow dry on the top portions. Just small box section we just picked and just creating O direction blow dry. Because the crown portions wants to be need some more volume on the top. So that's the regards I can just taking to the little forward and just O directing to the blow dry help up. So my last section is going to be finished. I'm just releasing overall to the styling part. You can just see a lot of layers from there. It's just how it looking so blushy and shiny and volume at blow dry. Now just going to be add the texture or I'll just cross checking even. So hope you guys all are enjoyed the video. And also you guys all are understanding about the haircut video for elevator. So if you have any queries or doubts, please let me know comments below. Definitely I'll clarify for you. Fringes also got finished. This is my final look. Please do hit the like button and just do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until we see.